In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can repost on Instagram. So there's various ways of how you can go about doing this. I'll show you the way that I do it. So if I open up Instagram, go to the home page, let's just say I want to scroll down and find a post that I want to repost. So this is a post for an example. Now, if you want to repost a picture or a photo, it's very simple. You can just simply take a screenshot. So I just took a screenshot right now and I'll tap on it, and what you can do is I'll just open it with the gallery, and you can just tap on the edit button at the bottom, and then you can simply just resize this just like that, and then you would save this by tapping save at the top right. Then you can go in your phone's gallery and repost that specific photo. Now if you want to do a video or any other photo, you can use third-party apps. So you can go to either the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and then you can search in the top of the search bar. So I'll show you in the search bar, just type repost for Instagram, hit the top search result, and you'll see all these different apps that pop up that you can use. All you would need to do is download any one of these apps. Let's just say this one for an example, install it. Then you just copy the link of the specific photo or video of the Instagram post, and then you put it into the app and it'll collect that photo or video for you, and then you can simply repost it with one click. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.